Hey everybody, big announcement for 2026. If you didn't already know it, I've owned a Ranger Raptor for some time now. Going on close to about a year, and I've been really happy with it. And we're gonna start selling parts for it. So the first thing people are gonna ask, why the Ford Ranger Raptor? Well, number one, I own one. So that's a good start. And I've also been a longtime Ford guy. One of my first vehicles was a 69 Ford F100 long bed. I put a cage in it, a bunch of shocks on it. It was a cool truck. Got stolen when I was a kid, which was kind of a bummer, but then I got into I think it was a 76 step-side Ford F-150. That truck I loved. On my days off, I would go from my house in San Diego, I lived in Pacific Beach, and I'd drive all the way out to the desert, and I'd come all the way back home. I would spend 6 to 8 hours in that truck. Now keep in mind, that thing probably got about 8 miles to the gallon, whether I was driving it full throttle or no throttle. It was terrible. But back then I could afford it, and gas was pretty cheap. It was kind of like escaping and riding your bike for the day. Sometimes I found myself down in Mexico. Back then you could drive down into Jamul and Acamba area, and the next thing you know, you're down in Mexico. So Border Patrol reminded me, hey, you've been driving in Mexico, why don't you get your butt up here? So they kept an eye out for me. I've got my Ford E350 four-wheel drive van. I still have that van, and I really like that van. So these bigger Fords, I'm a Ford guy, always been a Ford guy. Nowadays, Ranger Raptors do a little bit better than that. And I don't need to invest as much in it. The suspension's pretty dialed in, but we will be having some upgrades coming for that really soon. Things like suspension, wheels, tires, all that. I also, as I was researching and trying to find parts for it, there's a lot of certain things out there, but some of the basic things, I really had some hard time finding what I wanted. So I'm gonna be producing things that I want for this vehicle. And one of the first things that I wanted was an onboard air. We've accomplished that, and that's on our website, and you can buy it now. We're also gonna have some radio mounts, some different things like that. But for the most part, this is a pretty well-equipped vehicle. We will be adding more parts to it, and the more I use it and the harder I use it, I'll probably be either adding more parts to the website or creating our own parts. So stay tuned for more on the Ranger Raptor.